I'm here to tell you about some of the things we've won in the Healthy Green Public Schools section of our contract. First of all, we've won the creation, expansion, and maintenance of green spaces, including outdoor education spaces and programs. We've also won a health and nutrition task force and a commitment to remove lead from our school drinking water. We're going to expand the district bus fleet with electric buses using union contractors. There will be EV chargers placed on various school campuses. We're going to partner with LA Metro for permanent free public transportation for students. There will be a climate curriculum implementation task force, and the stipend for the climate champions at each school will be raised to $1,800. An important point about the stipend is that it will encourage more teachers to want to take this position. It's a lot of work and it's a passion of the heart, and it's nice to be compensated for the time we put in. This contract that we have won is historic in terms of teachers' unions fighting for climate justice. This means everything to me. I teach first grade and my students are about 7 years old, and by the time they become my age, I want them to have an earth that's inhabitable. The only way for us to get to a habitable earth in the near future is for unions and everyone to fight for climate justice for our kids. And that's just what this contract means. I'm so proud to be a member of UTLA, a union that thinks of the whole child, including children and what their futures will look like.